Okay, so here's another wonderful feature of Adobe Express. Let me go ahead and show this. So I'm here in Express and going to Home, and I'm going to do New. Now, usually when you do New, you can come in here and say, okay, I'm gonna start a video, do something like that. But what I'm gonna do is come here and go to Quick Actions. Instead of creating something, I'm gonna go to Quick Actions and then come down here to Caption Video. So I'm going to take a video that I had worked on. It's our new substitute orientation video that was also created in Adobe Express. But right now I'm adding the video so it's all one layer. So I'll skip through this part. This is where it's loading the media and it's also analyzing it for captions. All right, so the video is done rendering. And as you can see, here are some of the captions that are already showing up. So as you scrub, we come over here and start scrubbing, you can see those captions change. I should be able to edit those as we get in, but I just want you to see right here that it is adding captions based on what I said in the video. Let's see. Portion of substitute orientation, guidelines, the district, have that capitalized and so forth. So the next thing you do is you choose your style. That's the standard style, nice little drop shadow behind white text. Blast, ooh, that's nice. So the block text that's available there, you can have a ribbon, you can customize your colors. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with blast. Oh no, let me try slant. I think I have some ideas I want to do with it. You can download it and it'll just render that straight in as a video, or you can come through here and you can say, I want to open an editor. I like because you can go behind the scenes and see exactly kind of what it did. All right, so that's there. But I also want you to notice that this layer is what was added. So this layer here contains all of the text. I also want you to notice that this layer is what was added. So this layer here contains all of the text. So let's see, if I click this first one, that's just going to be the text that is right here. So hello and welcome. And it looks like if I select, let me go back to here. Our acceptable use policy, you can kind of see what was happened. There's a shape around it. So it added a shape fill. What's the next thing? Oh, an animation. So it's going to do a nice little pop in. And here are attributes of the pop in, loop in. So there's the animate in, here's the animate out. So you can see those animations there. So that's kind of how this is made up. It makes for a nice little video. You can edit anything at this point as far as those. I want to get back out to the video. Maybe there's some things I want to do there. But anyway, I love the captions feature here. Try it out, play with it, see how it goes. I'd be curious to see how this would go if these elements were in combination with that layering video that I had before. So maybe having closed captions coming in front, behind, all that good stuff. So that would be a nice little mix to do. So anyway, enjoy the captions feature in Adobe Express. I think you'll see some really neat results as you're doing that.